Hey skincare enthusiasts, let's talk about glycolic acid, a superstar ingredient for achieving that coveted glow. Simply put, glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid or AHA derived from sugarcane. Don't let the acid part scare you. This gentle exfoliant works wonders for your skin. It works by breaking down the bonds that hold dead skin cells together on the surface of your skin. Think of it as a little chemical peel, revealing brighter and smoother skin underneath. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel as yet? I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family, so I'm inviting you. Please take a moment and subscribe for more beauty content. Let's get back to the video. So, why is everyone raving about glycolic acid? Well, the benefits are pretty amazing. Firstly, it's a fantastic exfoliator, effectively removing dead skin cells that can make your complexion look dull and uneven. This exfoliation process also helps to unclog pores, reducing the appearance of blackheads and breakouts. Glycolic acid can even help to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. It does this by promoting cell turnover and stimulating collagen production. Ready to add glycolic acid to your skincare routine? This powerful ingredient can transform your skin, but it's important to use it correctly. Start slow and steady, especially if you're new to chemical exfoliation. Your skin needs time to adjust to this potent ingredient. Begin by using a product with a low concentration of glycolic acid, such as a cleanser or toner with 5 to 10% glycolic acid. This allows your skin to build tolerance without overwhelming it. Use it once or twice a week, gradually increasing the frequency as your skin tolerates it. Pay attention to how your skin responds and adjust accordingly. Always apply glycolic acid products to clean, dry skin and follow up with a moisturizer and sunscreen during the day. Moisturizing helps to maintain your skin's hydration and barrier function. Sunscreen is crucial because glycolic acid can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Without proper sun protection, you risk sunburn and other damage. So, never skip this step. With consistent use and proper care, glycolic acid can help reveal smoother, brighter, and more even-toned skin. Enjoy the journey to healthier skin. Now let's jump into some product spotlight, glycolic acid heroes. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned enthusiast, these recommendations will help you achieve glowing, healthy skin. Be sure to check out the description for links to some amazing glycolic acid products that you can try. There are tons of great glycolic acid products out there. From toners to cleansers, these products can help exfoliate, brighten, and rejuvenate your skin. The ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution is a cult favorite known for its effectiveness and affordability. This toner helps to gently exfoliate the skin, improving texture and radiance over time. It's a great option for those looking to incorporate glycolic acid into their routine without breaking the bank. If you prefer a cleanser, the CeraVe Renewing SA Cleanser gently exfoliates and cleanses the skin. This product combines salicylic acid with glycolic acid to provide a thorough yet gentle exfoliation, making it suitable for daily use. It's perfect for those with sensitive skin who still want the benefits of glycolic acid. For a more targeted treatment, consider the Pixie Glow Tonic, a toner that exfoliates and brightens the skin. This product is enriched with aloe vera and ginseng, which help to soothe and energize the skin while the glycolic acid works its magic. It's a fantastic option for those looking to achieve a radiant complexion. Remember to patch test any new product before applying it to your entire face to check for any adverse reactions. This step is crucial to ensure that your skin does not react negatively to the new product. Apply a small amount to a discrete area and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Safety first. Now let's explore glycolic acid for beginners, a great place to start. Glycolic acid is a type of alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, derived from sugarcane. It's known for its ability to exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and revealing a fresher, more youthful layer underneath. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of chemical exfoliation, glycolic acid is an excellent place to start. It's a gentle yet effective way to improve your skin's texture and tone. It's generally well tolerated and offers impressive results. Many people notice a significant improvement in their skin's appearance after just a few weeks of consistent use. Remember to always start with a low concentration and gradually increase the frequency of use as your skin adjusts. This helps to minimize any potential irritation or sensitivity. Pay attention to how your skin reacts and adjust your routine accordingly. If you experience redness, peeling, or discomfort, it may be a sign to reduce the frequency of application or switch to a lower concentration. With consistent use, you'll be amazed by the brighter, smoother, and more radiant complexion that glycolic acid can help you achieve. Over time, it can also help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation, making it a versatile addition to any skincare routine. Of course, we have to talk about potential side effects and precautions. While generally safe for most skin types, glycolic acid can cause side effects like mild tingling, redness, or dryness, especially when you first start using it. It's important to start with a low concentration and gradually increase usage to allow your skin to adjust. Avoid using glycolic acid on irritated or broken skin as it may cause further irritation. If you experience any persistent or severe side effects, discontinue use and consult a dermatologist. The bottom line, glowing skin awaits. So there you have it, your crash course in glycolic acid. This powerhouse ingredient can transform your skin, revealing a brighter, smoother, and more youthful looking complexion. Remember to start slow, be patient, and always listen to your skin. With the right approach, glycolic acid can be your secret weapon for achieving the glowing skin of your dreams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you've tried glycolic acid and what your experience was. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on more skincare tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep glowing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, beautiful.